Guys, Super Pete Samson is here, and I have a nice unboxing video with you guys with a stove. So if you guys normally go out and go camping a lot and hiking a lot, this is the video for you. Stay tuned. Alright guys, so this is the mobile stove. Alright, so I'm gonna unbox it right now. Hold on, which way? Oh, that way, yeah. Not even have. Should I carry a knife? Oh, our next box tonight. Oh, this look like. Take the time, man. Oh. No, let me take it out this way. You better let me take it out this way. Just like so. Take it out this way. Slide it out like this. Alright, so. In our next box. Alright, so we'll see what we're going now. So it's supposed to open. We'll open it this way. Whoa. Alright. So this is how it looks. So these are the burner. These are the burner. Yeah, this look like the burner. The two burner. Cause you have one big one and you have one small one. That's the burner. And then now, it look like it turn upside and down. Upside and down. Take it out. All right, voila. I call upside and down, we pull it, I turn it back up so, and then cut the top part. Okay, see there, yeah, the top part is now. So I just want to cover. Alright, these are the manual instruction feet, and oh, this look like one tool. This look like one tool if you maybe tighten it up with and put a tool in it. And here is, alright, so these are the burner, what do you call this now? The grill, yeah, the grill. That's the grill. Oh, the next. Alright, so these are the stove itself now. Oh. Alright, so I just put down a box here. This one. Alright. So these are the stove. This. So I put the cover. Oh, what that drop? Something drop. Alright. I'm not sure this is what, but must be something important. Alright, so so next piece here, so yeah, two of them. Alright, so these are this stove. So guys, if you want to go camping, you know, have nothing for cook pan, you can carry this with you. You just plug it in the vehicle right here. So well, alright, so you plug this part for only the igniter right here to turn it on. Alright? And then you're supposed to, for regular, connect the gas terminal here, put on the gas. little small gas them. You can carry that with you. Screw it on here. Inside. A little part here. And then here now. So you have, well, I'm not sure what's going on as yet. Oh, okay. You push it down and turn it. Okay, so it go. Yeah. So it's like you push it down, turn it like that. You turn up the fire on it. So down, turn, up and down. Now if you ignite it, I think ignite it without down like that. So to ignite it like that and then turn it on like this. Yeah, so that's how the them work. Ignite. Okay. So it look premium, I like it. It don't look cheap. It's about 270 US dollars feet. $270 feet. So almost $50,000 Jamaican. Alright, so I'm gonna put them together now. So put that down. I'm still not sure what they make about. Let's look on that. Oh, it's too extra nozzle for the burner. So which part the gas come through, them little hole here, is basically this. So them two here, them gear two extra one. So which part the gas come through. So the gas come through here, and then after the gas come through here, then now, let me see something. I'll pull out this. So, trying to mash up. Alright, so basically when the gas come through there, it is supposed to go. Let me see if I connect it right. Alright, I connect it right. So the gas come through there and then push up to the top here. When the gas push up to the top, there's a cover. See the cover here. So the cover, right now focus. Alright, focus now. So the cover, you put it like this. Focus, alright. Yeah, you can see it. So you put the cover here. So the gas push to the top and come out through the hole them. Come out through them hole here. Alright, so this is a small one. So you just go like that and then like that. So big one are the same thing. I put it on to and see. And when you're big, oh, then get extra cover too. So it's like the big one, you have a little extra cover. And no, it's not an extra cover, you know. I just see him. It's like them set up this one different. And set up this one different. So I think this one basically. Let me look first. Yeah, so you go like that. Then they put this here. Oh yeah, so it go. And then this there. Yeah. Oh yeah, see it there. So when you try to turn on the gas, so you press this down. This little piece here, so right to the side here, so ignite. You ignite when the gas come out and just light up from the side. So the fire will come through from the side here and in the middle part here. So you have two places of fire come through. Well, this side now, you have only one side the fire come through. So when you put this on, put this on the hole like this, the fire only come through here, to the side here. Yeah. Yeah, so and that's basically it. I'm gonna put on the cover. I'll make you see how it look with the cover on. So this is how it look when you put on the cover. I guess this now, let me see, what is this? I'll look like 10. I guess maybe I have to just tighten this up for maybe to tighten it here. Yeah, cause see there? Oh, cause it's slack. And then comes slack. Oh no, just one alone comes slack. Yeah, one. Yes, yeah. That comes slack. Let me see if that one here is slack too. Alright, I guess alright. Alright now. So I guess I have to tighten up this. And that's it guys. Well, I'll drop off everything. Yeah man, so that is the mobile stove. So guys, if you go camping, if you're doing a little camping, you know, and you want something to carry and say alright, you want to cook something, some food, you can use this. It's good. I'm gonna test it out and do a next review on it and tell you if it's perfect. Alright, so we now have the gas tank now to put this on. I have to go buy the connection here and then put it on and try it and see if it's good. Alright, so stay tuned, like, share and subscribe if you want to see more videos like this.